Everyone, in today's video we will see how to upgrade the GTA 6 Standard Edition to Ultimate Edition, PS5 and Xbox upgrade guide. So first, how to upgrade the GTA 6 Standard Edition to Ultimate Edition. To upgrade the Grand Theft Auto 6 from the Standard Edition to the Ultimate Edition on PS5 and Xbox Series XS, you simply need to purchase the digital Ultimate Edition upgrade add-on directly from your console store for the price difference of $20 or €20. Rockstar Games allow player to buy the base game first and upgrade at any point. So for the PlayStation 5 users, turn on your PS5 and log in into the PlayStation Network account. Then open the PlayStation Store from the home screen. Now use the search bar to find Grand Theft Auto 6. Then click Grand Theft Auto 6 game and navigate to Game Hub page. Now the for the Ultimate Edition upgrade, list under the Ads on or DLC section. Then select Purchase to pay the $20 difference. Once the transaction process, the ultimate content will unlock in your game library. For the Xbox XS series user, so press the Xbox home button and open the Microsoft Store app or go to Microsoft Store portal. Now search for GTA 6 or Grand Theft Auto 6. Now select the base game or navigate to ads on tab to find the standalone Ultimate Edition upgrade. Then click buy to purchase the ads on using your linked payment method. The additional asset will automatically tie to your digital licenses. For the now the important upgrade details to know. So physical edition owners, if you are plan to buy the physical box version which launched early on November 12, 2026 for preloading and contains a digital code rather than a disk, you must redeem your standard edition code first. Before the store will let you purchase the $20 ultimate upgrade add-on. Then next step, pre-order perks. If you buy either version or upgrade digital before the official game unlock date on November 2026, you will still receive the pre-order bonus like the vintage Vice City pack. Feature the 55 rapid stainer sedan, unique outfit and a weapon pattern, plus 1 month of GTA Plus. So in-game progress. According to the Rockstar support documentation, the Ultimate Edition items such as 95 Groti Cheetah and the exclusive custom mode shops will unlock dynamically as you progress through the main story chapters rather than the appearing all at once. So goodbye and thanks for watching.